What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and today I have another video. So you guys probably know that I'm a huge fan of RhinoShield cases, in particular their mod cases. That's the one that can go from a full case to a bumper, and I rock it always with the bumper. I'm a huge fan of that whole idea. Protects pretty much everything, but leaves the back nice and exposed of your device. Well, guess what? They've come out with the new generation of mod cases. They call them the ModNX, and they've tweaked it. All those little tiny details that could be improved, they improved it in this one. It was already an awesome case, and now it's a much more awesomer. Grammar is fun. Anyways, so in typical RhinoShield fashion, they didn't just send one. They sent a bunch. So you might be asking yourself, what is the actual difference between the new generation of mod cases, the ModNX, and of the regular mod case? That's a good question. Let me explain. After I clean up the mess I just made. You know when you do things and then you regret them? This particularly was one of them. There we go. So none of these changes are going to drastically change the effect of the bumper. It's still the same great bumper slash case, depends on if you're rocking the back plate. But what it does is it perfects it even more. So one of the things that they've improved is the actual fit of the bumper. By no means was the bumper or mod case loose on your phone when it was on, they just took it to the whole new level. If you actually take a look at the rim, which is the ring that actually goes around and seals everything up, they actually got rid of some of the divots and some of the way it connects to really give it that nice snug fit. So what they've also done is they eliminated the looseness on the side. If you used it, you would notice that in some areas it wasn't as snug as in the others. That came from multiple reasons, but whatever those reasons are, they found them out and they fixed it in the ModNX case. Another awesome upgrade. Here's the kicker. You've got more colors and more customization, and they have a better printing method to really take it to the next level. I'm gonna take out one of these cases here. Which one is their kind of run-of-the-mill, top-notch little design here? They've actually improved the printing kind of technology or the methodology used, and the way that it comes out is just amazing. It's such crisp lines. So here you go. Wow. It's incredible how well, like, the print is actually incredible. It's not just straight black, like, there's crisp definition in those colors. Wow. Okay, let's pull out another one here. Wow, this one's nice. But look at that. There's even blue in here. Wow, that's actually beautiful. Did I just call it an inanimate object beautiful? Wow. That's actually impeccable. That is going to go on the back of my phone for sure. Wow. I'm a little bit speechless of this. Anyways, let's try one on. Let's see how it fits. All of these are alleged improvements. Let's actually check it out. So newly improved case here. Let's slide it in. Wow. That is actually like a glove. So let me show you the difference between the old case and the new case. So if you take a look at the old case, right at the lightning switch is a perfect example of what it was, a little bit looser. On the new one though, wow. Everything fits like a glove. There's no loose, there's no wiggle. Whatever you did, RhinoShield, you did it well. Now I'm excited to see my phone with this. Look at this back plate. Anyways, the way you install this is very similar. You just put the black plate in, and then you slide your phone in, and Bob is your uncle. Everything locks nice in place. Wow. That actually looks really good. I'm a huge fan of the bumper, but that looks fantastic. What if I switch this out with black? What I also love about the RhinoShield is the fact that you can kind of interchange literally anything. You don't like your rim? Guess what? You've got green, you've got orange, you've got purple, you've got blue, you've got gray, you've got white, you've got yellow, you've got peach. Peach? Salmon? You've got red, you've got blue, you've got black. Like, look at all of this. Plus, guess what? You can change buttons. I'm just a huge fan of this whole entire, like, thing. Having everything interchangeable. It's awesome. And guess what? 11-foot drop impact, military grade materials. Anyways, here is the phone with the black bumper and the new, like look at that, that is pristine. That actually looks so good. That's the new ModNX case by RhinoShield. And guess what? With the release of the new iPhones this year, they've got ModNX cases for those as well. So don't feel excluded if you have the newest and greatest and some of the case manufacturers have you waiting for your cases. Guess what? RhinoShield's got them. Go check them out. I'll have a link down in the description. But for now, I hope you liked that video. And I'd like to take a second to thank RhinoShield for, of course, sending out all of these awesome cases. I'm a huge fan of them. Thank you again. Keep up the awesome cases. You've got a huge fan over here, so keep it up. These are awesome. Thank you again for watching. If you liked that video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons down below. And for additional brownie points, please follow me on all of my social media. Links can be found down in the description. But for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.